As many of you guys know, I just started university about a month ago. And since then, schoolwork, activities, and essays are slowly piling up. So I am continuously looking for ways on how I can use different tools that can help me work smarter rather than harder. And one of the tools that I have found to be very useful is QuillBot. So QuillBot is a very powerful tool that helps me improve my writing skills and saves me so much time when it comes to writing essays, presentation, or pitches. QuillBot can also help me rephrase my ideas and text to make them more clear and concise. So basically, all you need to do is to simply write a text that you want to rephrase into the QuillBot editor and click the paraphrase button. You can also change and find the synonyms of each word to improve the quality of your writing. Additionally, QuillBot has various paraphrasing modes. Currently, I am in love with the academic mode, which improves my academic writing. So here, I am writing a reflection paper, and as you guys can see, it instantly catches all the errors and inconsistency in my writing. QuillBot has greatly enhanced my writing process and allowed me to produce high quality work in a shorter amount of time. So whether you are a student or a professional, QuillBot will surely help with your productivity and efficiency in writing. And that is why I highly recommend for you to try QuillBot for absolutely free by just clicking the link in the description box down below. But if you want to go for premium, you may use the code justelias20 for a 20% discount on their annual subscription.
These are just conceptual questions. How much time would it take for like units? Kasi this one, convert. Going to convert, we use a conversion factor. Ano sagot niya? Okay, so look at this.
When I stay still and see the waves stop, it reminds me of a bright, sweet smile. It's coming to me like a dream, fantastic day and night. Sing for this moment, sha-la-la-la. Sing my love, sha-la-la-la. You're a child, a dreamer, always long for and remember again. La 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 la. Romantic Sunday. La 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 la. It's a beautiful and shining day. I cherish each lovely memory like a snow.
Pipili ka kung 8 to 12 or 12 to 5.
bright, sweet smile. It's coming to me like a dream, fantastic day and night.